how you doing? This is the grill restoration project. This is a great cast iron grill that's been rusted and completely kind of degraded. So now we're trying to bring it back to original condition. It's just a wonderful grill, so we want to save it. So with the magic of WD-40, we've gotten rid of most of the rust. We're going to continue to get rid of the rust today. Then we're going to spray it with some black silicone resin paint, and we're also going to do the wonderful cast iron flat top grill that goes on top of this, which I'll show you a little bit later. What we're doing basically, just scraping this grill here, scrape the sides. As you can see, the vents were practically, they were completely rusted shut. It's not perfect, but we're getting it there. So at least now they open and close, which is great for grilling. This side as well. This side's a little bit tougher to close, but there you go. And we're going to continue with this project today. I'll show you again a little bit later in stages once we get all the rust off and start spraying. Yeah! So this is the flat top that I mentioned earlier. We're going to have to get this rust off. This is the back actually, and here's the front. This is just a great flat top. It's super heavy cast iron. Must be 15 pounds, 20 pounds maybe. This side is perfectly fine, probably because of all the oil that's been used on this over the years. But this side is pretty rusted. So we're going to have to get to that today too. So it goes like this basically. On top, and you've got a great flat top for cooking burgers, sandwiches, grilled cheese, steak, meat, whatever else you want. We also have this grate that you can also use on the side, like so we can do indirect cooking as well. Awesome. Really good. Okay, well, we've taken off all the rust and now we've begun to paint. This is a flat black paint that resists up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit in heat. And I'm going to walk around and show you this grill. Okay, well here's the grill, the side that hasn't been painted yet, and a little look inside that hasn't been painted yet. And as we swoop around here, these are the sides that I just painted. We're going to get this thing back to tip-top shape. And here's the grate that I also painted earlier today. Here's the finished grill from the grill restoration project. Beautiful flat top, cast iron, and it's all painted up and ready to be used. And I'm doing another small mini one. Same deal with everything cast iron, and I just took all the rust off and I'm going to be painting that up soon.